One thing how are you? Shankari, good job on the Noyotic, Shankari. Rishit, should I give you more forms, Rishit? You keep track of whatever you're putting in, right, Rishit, for the weekly quiz?
Yeah.
Um, which one have you done last?
8.
8. You have 9, 10, 11 to work on, correct?
Yeah.
So,
I might have to leave early because I have a start tomorrow.
oh, sure, Marishit. Yeah, then why don't you do next week? I have enough to cover the next 2 weeks.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead. Yeah, these 2 weeks take a break. Put an entry there.
Okay.
Your star is more important, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please go study. These 2 weeks, put a break. Just put a note in the Excel sheet that you're maintaining or the Word document.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else? Good luck on your star.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't take this that seriously. Yeah, bye, ma.
Okay, bye.
Aru, that comes end of April. You got it? And nobody asked. Did somebody ask? There was some homework they should have given in the millions. Did you see that I didn't assign and I didn't see? You know what? It was my bad. I'm sorry. At the same time, we should have started working on it. It's okay. I'll go ahead and do this week. I'll give you time. Anjali, I am happy to see you back, ma. How are you?
Good.
You were held up somewhere last week, right?
Yeah.
You noticed that we had worked on millions.
Mm-hmm. I
We-
watched the videos.
Very sweet of you, Anjali. Did you learn something out of it?
Yes.
Good. Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I just wanted to discuss the Niotic. Uh, wait. Some of the problems I would like to discuss with you guys. Let's see. All of you took it in this class, right?
I'm planning to do it today or tomorrow.
Niotic exam?
Yeah.
Have you registered?
Yeah, Priya, we actually missed it for both Shrestha and Shreyank. So we'll be.
No. I was about to send a message to you both. To some of the parents. Some of the parents have not taken. For both of them, it was empty. I saw. Oh,
Uh-huh.
I cannot discuss the questions now. Okay.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, I'll wait. I'm glad. That's why I was wondering who are the people who are yet to take. Yep. Perfect. You take it tonight, okay? And then we'll discuss next week. That doesn't help me at all. That's okay. Okay, let's see. Let's discuss at least one or two of the questions and then we'll move on to our thing. Okay, for a break, right? Let's see. Give me a minute. Yep, 2000. Let's see. Let's do a previous year. Let's do spring. How about this? Let's do one or two problems at least. Then we'll move on. Okay. How about this? Huh. This is a good one. Let's see. Let's see how you answer this. I'll put it out on the board, then you can answer. I need to share with you. Try this one, guys. I really want you to read through this problem. Okay. Put it out, put a diagram first. Put a diagram first. Maybe, see, if I were you, you know what? You know what I would have done with this? Every day, a mama panda eats 15 more pounds of bamboo than her baby. Suppose this is baby eating, right? Mama panda, what will she do? She will eat 15 more pounds. She'll eat what the baby eats, exactly equal, and 15 more pounds. Now, the two of them eat a total of 39 pounds of bamboo. Two of them eat a total of 39 pounds of bamboo. So, how many pounds did the baby panda eat? So this is a diagram that I would draw in my brain. So like this, whatever diagram is easy on you, you have to draw and try. Try. No, கண்டுபிடி. Good job, Aditi. Shreyank, is that right? Did you look at the question asked? So, did you draw a picture or you calculated in your head?
I um I I like did a number sentence.
Number sentence. What was that number sentence? Mama Panda eats 15
39 minus 15.
What is that?
39 minus 15
39 minus 15 is what?
is 24.
That is true. But before you do that, did you draw a picture of what the baby eats? Baby eats this much. Mama eats the same amount. Additionally, extra 15 she eats. Now, the total is 39. Okay, this is exactly equal to this one. So, the total is 39. Akshara, good job. Guys, some of you are not reading what is asked. How much did the baby eat? Anjali and Shreyang. I'm going to wait to hear. But I want you to be a little fast. Aditi and Akshara, good job, guys. Pick it up. Which one? Put an alarm after 10 minutes you bring. Or get the charger from Appa. Go ahead. Good job, Anjali. Did you rectify it? What made you to change your answer?
It's because it says I did 15 minus or 36 minus 15, and then you said it was wrong. So then I added the half into 24.
See, Shankari, what answer did you get? I didn't get an answer from you. Why?
I'm still doing
Solving. Shreyank, see here. Srimitran, what are you doing?
I didn't really understand. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, see here. The mama panda eats 50. Mama, let me draw a mama. See, I'm just drawing a stick or a bar. Right? Mama eats a lot. Baby eats little. Mama is, see, I will draw the same thing here. This is the what the baby eats. Okay, this is exactly equal to this. But the extra what mama eats is 15. Totally, if it is 39, how can I find, how can I see, how will I know what is inside this box? Let me subtract these two. When I subtract from the 39, all this add up to 39. So let me take away the 15. You end up with a 24. 24 has to be split between these two boxes evenly. So each box is 12. How much does the baby eat? How much the baby eats?
12.
Yes.
Understood.
So if you put it into a picture, it's always easy. Okay, let's see. Next one you're going to solve by yourself. I want you to really solve these type of problems as well, not just the book blindly. No, right? That's not what we want. How about hmm, how about this? Yeah. Think about, meaning you have to read the main intent of these problems are for you to read the problem, comprehend it, put it in your own understanding, then you'll get the answer. It's not anything that you learn. Just to read, comprehend what is given. That is so important at this level. Try to comprehend what is given, put it in your own words. Ria's age is a 2-digit number, meaning, you know how I'll draw a 2-digit number if I were you? I will just put a note like this. Ah, her age is a 2-digit number. How do I mark it? The ones digit is twice as much as the tens digit. And the tens digit is 3 less than the ones digit. What is Ria's age? Srimitran, are you trying some digits for the two places? How are you thinking, Anjali and Shreyank or Aru? What numbers we
So
can...
reading.
Okay, reading. Okay. I'll leave you. I'll leave it to you. Go ahead. Get it? Who needs help? Okay. Okay. Now, Shreyank, good job. Tens digit is 3. Okay. Aditi, I want you to, you have an answer correct. You got the concept right. But can you go over the question again and check it against your answer? Srimitran and Shreyank got it. Aditi, you have the answer. It's right. It's right in the sense it's right, but there is a minor mistake. Can you read the question? See whether it matches what is in the question? Akshara, good job, ma. Aru, the same thing. Aru and Aditi, I want you to recheck, reread the answer and check. Every time you have to perform this. Shankari, that's correct. Srimitran, correct. Shreyank, correct. Akshara, correct. Aditi and Aru, I want you to redo. Aditi, you're doing by yourself, Amma?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Ananya, good job, Ananya.
It's not connected.
Aditi and Aru, I just want you to read the question again. Check against your answer that you have. You yourself will find out what the mistake is. Go through the question. Ria's age is a 2-digit number. Have your answer there. The ones digit. Let me have your answer. Both of your answer is 63. The ones digit. Which is the ones digit? Ones digit is twice as much as the tens digit. So ones digit is bigger. But in your answer, something feels odd. And the tens digit is 3 less. Aditi, what should I do then?
You have to switch the numbers around.
See, you got the concept, but you made a mistake. That's why after you find out the answer right, always reread the question, check against whether you got it right, and then send it to me. Got it? One more question, and then
Yeah.
let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, this one is a good question for you. That's a good one. Let's see. You're going to draw anything. I should be able to see the diagram. When I ask you for the diagram, you're going to turn around and give me the diagram. For any problem, I want to see some pictures. Mitch spent the afternoon studying. He studied math for 45 minutes, English for 1 hour, and then Spanish for 30 minutes. He finished studying at 4:15 p.m. and didn't take any breaks.
The question is cut off.
I see. Thank you, Anjali. Let me see. See, this happens. I'll stop.
Anjali, I'm Shayang.
See, every time I confuse between Anjali and Shayang. Even when you said about the Neotic test, I thought it was Anjali. Okay, now I'm sorry for that. Go ahead. Now you're able to see, right? Shayang, now you're able to see, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I really want you to read this. Mitch spent the afternoon studying. So what is the picture I can draw for this one? He studied math for 45 minutes, English for 1 hour. So allocate that time. So I will draw a number line. He studied math for 45 minutes. I will write out whatever is in there. I'll write it out a small thing so that in my own words I understand. English for 1 hour. Spanish for 35 minutes. 30 minutes, I'm sorry. So now what happens? Spanish ended at 4:15. I need to move back. Moving back. How to move back? You have to see the top and move back. Let me see. Not a very hard one. I'll wait. Like this, I want you to draw. Next time, I will want everybody to, I want to see what you have drawn as well. Srimitran, have you drawn something? No doing it in your brain. I don't want you to do in your brain.
I'm drawing.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, did you mean drawing in a diagram or actually drawing people and stuff?
No. This is not an art class, right? I just want the mathematics to be translated to English.
Okay.
I'm sorry, the English to be translated to mathematics. That's all. In a very crisp, short way. You cannot afford to spend too much time in the drawing because time will run out.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'm going to go to millions now. Quick, Kama. I'll wait, Shreyank. This one you just go back. I have drawn it for you. I have shown how will I draw it. Without the drawing, I won't accept your answer. Some drawing should be there. And how did you calculate it? You put down in the paper. I want to see the paper what you did. If you send the answer to me, you have to show the paper on the video 100%. Good job, Shankari. Can I see your drawing or whatever picture you drew? I want to see. Can I see that? Shankari, I'm waiting to see your picture.
I did some on my brain and some on the paper.
You know what? In your brain, I don't want you to do. I want you to draw. I want to show you the sheet of paper. That's what I said. No brain work here. Ah, I see. Okay, I see it. Shankari, I want you to draw hereafter. Make sense? You have written the numbers. No, not writing numbers. I want to see some pictures. Your own brain will have its own unique way, and I'm okay with it. Shreyank, what did you do? Show me. Mhm. That's good. Thank you. I really liked it. I need to be able to understand. See, you have clearly written, you have moved down plus 30. I like that.
I
Okay, I'm
even
waiting for the
wrote
other.
a clock.
Huh?
I even wrote a clock.
Sorry, Shreyank, I didn't hear you. What is that?
I even wrote a clock.
Yeah, I saw that. Cute. It looks cute. But honestly, talking to you, right? I just want you to move on because you don't need to draw a detailed diagram. Nobody is going to see that, and you want more time for the other problems as well. But I liked your clock though. Go ahead. Sri Mitran, what did you do? Aditi, what did you do? Ananya? Yes, Sri Mitran, good job. Can you see? Can you show me what you did?
Yeah.
Show me what you did. Sri Mitran, show me what you did. I want to see. In your case, oh, that's good. Good, 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 good. Thank you. I really like it. See, any time related problem, I want a number line to be drawn just like yours. Got it? Put down everything, all the numbers, whatever is given in the problem should be put down on that number line. After that, go back or forth. Aditi, did you get it? Aradhya, I'm glad you're in. So you made
Yeah.
a problem, we'll move on. Can I do the problem and move on? I feel like it, guys. Akshara, did you do? Aditi, correct, ma. So 30 minutes, go back 30 minutes. If you go back, see 15 minutes, you go back, you go to a 4. Then you go back again, it's a 3:45. From 3:45, you go back 1 hour. Anjali, are you listening? Anjali, 2:45. 45 minutes when you subtract and move, this is at 2 p.m. So you started the studying at 2 p.m. Okay, let me ask you this quick, guys. It is 6 a.m. What is the work that you would be doing, Srimitran, if it is 6 a.m.? Aru, that's right. If it is 6 a.m., what will you be doing?
I would be sleeping.
Good job. This is,
I will be playing outside.
really? That is 6 p.m. There's a difference. Here, the sun is coming up. The sun is trying to come up. Here, the sun is trying to go down. You see PM, AM. What does it mean? AM, PM.
I think I'll wake up. AM is morning and PM is night.
Exactly. AM is morning. PM is in the evening. PM is the evening time. AM refers to anti-meridian. Anti-meridian. Okay. Let me write it down. 1 minute. See here, guys. AM, A is the first alphabet, right? So it's in the early morning. This is prime meridian. That's the That's the expansion of this acronym. Acronym means are shortened words. AM and PM. AM is in the morning. Now let me tell this one, guys. Okay, it is 11 PM. Guys, I will call out and you have to answer. I have to make sure everybody understands. Akshara, what will you be doing?
Sleeping.
Eleven PM, what would you be doing, ma?
Sleeping.
Okay, so 11 PM is when? Evening or morning?
Night.
Night. Good job, because PM is late in the morning, late in the evening. Good job. Now let me ask you this. How about 11:45? I don't know. How about 10 a.m.? What is it you would be doing, Aru?
Me?
Hmm.
I'd probably be in school.
Good job. Anjali, I have a question for you. 8 p.m., what you would be doing?
I would be doing my homework.
Doing your homework. Good job. Okay, now I have a question, more question. Okay, there is a concept called 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock. How many of you know that? 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock? Have you heard of it? Have you heard of it? Now, let's call it out like this. This is 1 a.m. in the morning, midnight, okay? This one goes 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. like that it goes, and then it goes to 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 it goes, and then it ends when this is 12 noon. Let's say this is 12 noon. This is the afternoon. Okay. And then it goes till night, right? 12 noon, and then it goes till, let's say, 12:59 a.m. 12:59. See, at sharp at 12. Let me draw it differently, guys. Okay. So 12 noon is here. 12 midnight is here. Let's do it like that. 12 midnight is here. Okay. So this is a span of 12 hours. So in between, right? Now, if it starts at 12 noon till 12 midnight. So 12 midnight is basically, I'll call it as 0000. Then what happened? 12 midnight. Then what happens? Let's come like this. 12 midnight. Then 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m. Correct? So see, this is a 12-hour clock. From 12 midnight to 12 noon, it's 12 hours. Right? And after that, what happens? I'll go from 12 noon to 12 midnight again, right? So what happens? 12 noon. Now it right smack at that 12, everything changes AM to PM, right? So now this 12:01 PM, after that 12:01 PM, it becomes PM. Then it becomes 1 PM, 2 PM, afternoon, 3 PM, 4 PM, 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM, 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. All that is done 12 midnight. You got it? Now with all this said and done, so this is 12 midnight, right? So at that right smack at 12, again at 12:01, here it becomes AM. After the 12 noon, it becomes 1 PM, 12:02, 12:03. In minutes, it goes up, right? It is all PM. This is all in the evening. This is all in the mornings. Okay, now this is a 12-hour clock where right smack at the 12, the time changes, right? Time changes means it resets. The 12 midnight is 00.00, right? Then you have 01.0, I'm sorry, 00.01. That means what? In the morning, these are all in the morning, right? Right, 0.02. Like that, it starts with a 0th hour and then ends with a 12 hour. After it finishes the 12 noon, right? How does it go? Then again, here it resets to 0. 12 hours it goes. But there is something called a 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock doesn't reset for 24 hours. So you know what happens? The same thing happens in the morning, 0 to 12 it goes. But instead of changing, again resetting back to 01, it goes 13, 14. We don't say AM and PM. 15. We don't say AM and PM. 16, 17. Shankari, what's up, Shankari?
That's in the restroom.
Yeah, ma. So do you see? This is a 24-hour clock wherein we write only the hours but don't say AM or PM. Meaning we say whatever. See here, after 12 it becomes, this is all evenings. Bigger numbers after 12 is all evenings. Afternoon and evenings. This is midnight, 23. When you reach the 23:59 minutes, 23 hours and 59 minutes, it resets to 0. So we go through a 24-hour cycle. There are two different clocks. Now, let me ask you this question. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. means it indicates a 12-hour clock, right? Is what time in a 24-hour clock? 6 p.m. in a 12-hour clock is what time in a 24-hour clock? We are not doing Niotic, I know, but I just want to go over. Let's see. Yeah, I really want to go to that millions discussion. Good job, guys. Anjali, that's evening. But can you tell me the number that would show in the 24-hour clock? Good job, Aradhya. You guys are really good. So now, see, everything resets right smack at 12 point, right? For a 12-hour clock. For a 24-hour clock, we'll go from 1 to 12, then go to 13, 14, 15, 16 till 20, 23, 59. And then right smack at 24, it resets to 0. So, as I said, it goes till 12. See, 1 to 12 it goes, and then it goes to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 it goes, right? What I'm asking is 6 p.m., right? So, 1 p.m., let's say 1 p.m. After 12, 12 noon. This is 12 noon, right? So 1 p.m. is here. 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. See, 6 p.m. will show it as 18 hours. Aditi, does it make sense? Aditi, does it make sense?
Huh?
Does it make sense, whatever I'm discussing?
Yeah, but I put 18.
Yeah, I saw, ma. Just now I saw. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now I think I'm wasting a lot of time. It's not wasting. At the same time, I did want to discuss some sort of these problems as well. Otherwise, I want to see some difference. Okay. So let's see. Let's go through this. You did from 39. Last week we did this. So you should be able to do this. Let's review a little bit and then we'll move on. Okay. How about this? 6050. How do you write this number? Last year we went through this nicely, I feel. 6050. This week I'll give you homework on this completely. Last week I missed actually. I don't know how I missed. Usually I don't. Hey Akshara. Akshara, that's 18, ma. Did you understand? Akshara, did you understand, ma? Oh, wow, you're all super good, guys. Ananya Shreyang, that's correct. See, always do the periods. This is the thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, right? This is one period. This is the ones period, hundreds, tens, zeros. So now, 6,000. 6,000 means fill 6 in the thousands place. 50 should come here. Wherever it's empty, fill in with zeros. Make sense? Now, how about this? 100,000 tens. What is this number? 100,000 tens. 100,000 tens. Hundred thousand tens. What is it number? 100,000 tens means how many zeros should be appended, should be added to that number? How many zeros should be added, Ananya? Ananya, please be quick, ma. How many zeros should be added? Tens, right? Tens means how many zeros will you add?
10.
Yeah, only 1 0 should be added. So the number becomes, what is this number? From the end, you have to split it as 3. What is this number?
1 million.
1 million. Good job, Shankari. That's not the way you split. From the end, you'll have to split the first 3. After that, 3. Okay, how about this? Let's see this one. Sri Mitran, can you answer this one for me? 5, 5, 5 tens. What is this number? Can I get answers on this? Shall I?
Can you tell it again?
5, 5, 5 tens. What is this number? What is this number? Tens means you're going to replace it with what? How many zeros? Good job. Aradhya. Very nice, Aradhya. But the thing is, when you split it up with the commas, right? Split up this number. 5, 5, 5. Tens means you add a 0 to it. If this is hundreds, then you add 2 zeros to that number. Now, when you do that, from the end only, you will have to split. First 3 is the ones period. Put a comma. Then the next 3 is the hundreds period. Put a comma. I'm sorry. Next is the thousands period. So here, this is the ones period. This is the three digits belong to a period. Now, this one becomes 5,550. Aru. You cannot do this. It is not 5,550. This is not the number. This is a common mistake you guys do. You see, 5,000 means the thousands place should have 5. That's all it means. Okay. Don't fill in other zeros. In the thousands place, thousands house, you should fill a 5. That is, this itself stands for 5,000. Aru, did you get it? Aru? 500 means 5 should be filled in the hundreds place. That's what it means. It is not asking you to write 500. Aru, did you get it? Okay, how about this, guys? Okay, this time I want Aradhya to do the correct split. When you put the comma, you'll have to put it from the end. Let's see. Now I give you 650,000 plus 300,000. Anjali, how do you do this, Anjali? By seeing, how will you do?
So you do 600 plus 300, which equals 900, and then 900 plus 50 is 950, and then 1,000.
Yes. So what is this? Read the number.
950,000.
Job. Okay. Now how about this? If I give you this. Shreyank, can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? 756,492. Shreyank, can you do this for me? Minus, okay, let me read out the number. 700, see, this is a period, this is a period. From the end, 3 digits, you should, after 3 digits, you should insert a comma. So, three digits represent a period. Now, how to read this number? This is the thousands period. This is the ones period, right? So, I read it out as 756,492. Subtract 200,300.
The answer is 556,092.
400. See, you are going to subtract this and this, right?
Wait, it's 556,192.
Good job. Very nice. How about this? Okay, now this one, I know some of you have not asked, but then can you go ahead and send it to me in chat? 20,000 minus 20 hundreds minus 20 tens. Funny, right? 20,000. So put it down in the paper. No brain work. These all do not help if you do brain work. Put it down. They give you It is not a hard. Good job, guys. Oh wow, Shreyang, that's correct. Did you write down the numbers? Can I see your work? Aradhya, how are you doing this? Shreyang, can I see your work, please? Did you put down or did you calculate it in your brain? Oh wow, 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 wow. Good job. Good job, Anjali. Can I see your work, Anjali? See, one thing I am seeing in the third graders as well, they don't want to write. A couple of them are crying. So I don't want that to happen to anybody. I really want everybody to put it down. Show me, ma. Aradhya, I didn't see, ma. I didn't see what you wrote. Can I see? Oh, Aradhya. Anjali, wait, ma. Aradhya's I want to see, then Anjali's. Go ahead and show me. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Perfect. How about you, Anjali? Thanks, Anjali. Really appreciate it. Yes. Ananya, can I see yours? Srimitran, can I see yours? Aditi Aru? What is the first number? Minus means subtract. 20,000 is what number? Who can tell me? 20,000 minus 20,100 means what? 20 followed by 2 zeros. Aru, good job. Aru. Check Aru. Shankari, correct. Aru, you're making a simple mistake. Minus 20 tens. 20 tens is a 200. So now from 20,000, you're subtracting a 2,000. See, basically what you need to do is 20,000 minus a 2,000. So just the 2 you're going to subtract from 20. Then you're going to fill in with 3 zeros. So 18,000 minus 200. 200 is very small, right? That's going to be tricky. You know what? I don't have 1,000 to subtract here. So this place, right, will become less and it will give its 1,000. Meaning this is going to donate 1,000 to the hundreds place where it becomes 10 hundreds. So from the 10 hundreds, you're going to subtract the 2. So these 3 places become 800. Here you copy the 17. 17,800. Aru, be careful. Akshara, did you get what I did? Akshara. Akshara, did you get ma?
Yes.
Now, how about this, guys? This one you're going to do it by yourself. 30,400 plus 50,700. The intent is for you to match it up. Match it up. First two are zeros. Last two digits are zeros. So you can blindly put down the zeros. After that, you need to add 7 and 4, which will result in a carry that will move to the left. You can do it quickly. You don't have to take time on these. Can I see more answers, please? Shankari Aditi Shreyang, Shankari Aditi Shreyang, correct. Aru, can I work with you, Aru, please? Aru, listen, Amma. What did you do, Aru? Can you help me? Aradhi, I'll come back to you. Aru, how did you do?
I did 4.
Yeah. Seema, so you have matched 4, the place you're matching, right? But it will result in a carry. So what will you do?
I'll add 1.
Okay, first,
I'll add
correct. You'll add 1, correct. So this becomes 100. That carry goes to this place, right? What happens? Now this becomes a 31 plus 50. 31 plus 50. What is the answer?
91,000.
31 plus 50.
And 81.
81. Did you get it? Aradhya, can you see me? Aradhya, how did you get? Aradhya,
Yes.
how did you do?
I did 400 plus 700.
Good, what is it?
It equals 1,100.
How much it is?
1,100.
Okay, 1000. But I have only 3 places, right? So I'll have to write the last 100. But that 1000 is going to go here. If it goes here, this will become 31,000, correct? There was a 30,000, but I pushed the 1000 here. So it became 31,000 and 50,000. So 50 and 31 will add up to what? Akshara, 31,000 plus 50,000 will add up to what, Aradhya?
81.
81. See, same problem. Akshara, did you see that same problem happening to you? Okay, good. Good. If you see, I'm happy, guys. Okay. I have more questions for you. Let's see. How about this? This one, I want each of you to do and send the answer to me. Go ahead. I really want one of you to explain. Srimitran, can you explain? Or Shankari, why don't you explain this one? How will you do, ma? Aradhya, I also want you to explain once. Shankari, go ahead.
You do
What?
since there's two zeros at the end, it's really easy to do in your head. And then
So why don't I suggest this to you?
plus 9.
Mama, 1 minute. Why don't I suggest this? 600 is there at the end. 900 is there at the end. When you add both together, what happens? 600 and 900. See, 6 and 9, when you add, what will happen?
15.
1500. But we can't write a 1500, right? It's only 100. So I will have to write that 500 literally. I'll have to write the 500. But in that 1500, I'll have to move that one to the next one. So this becomes 741. This becomes 750. Can I add that period? 750 and 741. How to add this? Shankari, go ahead.
You could do 50 plus 41.
Uh-huh.
Or do 50 plus 40, which is 90, and plus, which is 91.
91. 7 plus 7?
14.
Yes. You see? Did you understand? So period by period, when you go, it becomes easy with bigger numbers. But let's try to do commas. Aradhya, I want you to do commas. Where will the comma be? Aradhya, in this number, it's a big number. Where is going to be the comma, Aradhya? I want to see the commas. Can you tell me, Aradhya, where will the comma be?
After the 1.
Good job. After the which one? First one or the second one?
The first one.
Here.
And the next one.
So from the end only, I'll have to put it 3 digits, comma. Again, 3 digits, comma. So who can read this number to me? Srimitran, can I ask you to read this number? Read the number.
1,000,000
Good job.
1,491,500.
See how easy it becomes with the periods. Give importance to periods when it comes to big numbers. You got it? Okay, let's see. Let's do another one. Let's see. How about this? Okay. You know, there are 5280 feet in 1 mile. Okay, I tell you that. Okay, how many feet are there? See this, how many feet are there in 2 miles? Aditi, can you do it right off the brain on the board? How do you do this, Aditi? Yeah, go ahead.
Do I write it on the board?
Yeah, you can write it on the board. I would love to see you write it on the board.
Okay.
Others can send in. Aru, correct. Aru, I did discuss. Did you understand that? Aru, 1 minute, Aru. I did not see your part question.
ஆத்துக்குள்ள எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? நான் ஷோயிங் எல்லாம் போயிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஆமா, நீங்க ஃபுல்லா காலி பண்ணிட்டு ஃபாசில் போர்டு போட்டு வெளில வந்துருந்தீங்க. என்ன சாமானெல்லாம் கொண்டு போய் இதுல போட்டு.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Aditi, I'm watching. Uh-huh. Good job, but how will you add it? That's what I want to see. Good job, that's correct. But how will you add it? Addition by period. Period by period you add. What is the ones period? Period by period you add, you are faster as well. Shreyank, did you answer? Shreyank, wait, Shreyank? Interesting. Go ahead. Okay. Aditi, can we start doing period by period? Okay, here is where, guys, I really want you to see this. See, when you're given 5280 plus 5280, right? Go with the period, put the commas, right? Now, 80 plus 80 is what? Or 280, 280 plus 280 is what? We need to slowly get there. So, let's see.
Can I tell the answer?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
560.
560. There is no carry, but 5 plus 5 is a 10, and you put your comma to separate the periods. So this is 10,560. Let's move on.
I did that.
How about this? How about this? Let's see. Some of it you can do it at home. So I really want you to read and do it at home, some of them. Okay.
Priya, I have to leave for soccer class. I'm getting late.
You can, ma. Bye, ma.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll be done with this. Now, Mount Yeti has, okay, 1,900,000 hairs. Okay. Now, a snow Yeti, a Mount Yeti. Okay, a snow Yeti has about 500,000 more hairs than a Mount 80. This is a mountain 80. Now, how many hairs does a snow 80 have? See, when you add, I want you to follow the period by period addition for big numbers. Period by period. I am putting the commas. So I would like you to watch for the commas. Add period by period from the right. It becomes easy. Shankari, good. Good answer, Shankari. In the chat. Very nice. Not for this one. This one, not for this one, honestly. The previous one I said. Um, hmm. Very nice. Aru and Srimitran, I really like the commas and the periods. How did you add Srimitran? Did you use your school way or did you use the periods way?
Periods way.
Is it easier?
Yeah.
Good. Go with the periods. It'll be faster as well. Okay. When there are bigger numbers. You will do this next year only at school. Okay.
Yeah.
Good job. Anjali, did you miss the comma, second comma by mistake? That's okay. That's okay. I understood. Okay. Akshara, Srimitran, Anjali, Aru. Good job. Shankar, you made a minor mistake. It was just a silly mistake. I know that you understood though. Can you check? When there is a carry, you should not forget the carry. Okay, now guys, if you don't have any questions, you can log off and the homework will be entirely on big numbers. So you know what? I request you to split test every day 3 pages. Every day 3 pages I want you to do for 5 days. Make sense? Every day for 3 days I would like you to do 5 pages. 3 pages. Can I do that? Can I request you to do every day consistently 3 pages? Ananya, good job, but I didn't find the commas, ma. Yes, Aru, what is your question?
Forgot to do the commas.
That's okay. Okay, if you, as long as you, did you do addition by periods? So it would be nice if you could do, see here. So I have 900,000, 500,000. Adding them is very easy. Adding 900,000 to 500,000 is hard, but adding a 9 and a 5 is easy. So I would get 1400,000, but I can't write 1400,000 and all. 3 only, right? 400,000 I can write. But the last one I can't add, right? That one, I'll carry it over here. Then that becomes 2, making the number 2,400,000. Can I stop here?
Priyanti,
Yeah, ma.
what if for the homework, what if you want to do 5 pages each day?
I would be happy if you finish 5 pages each day. If you're able to finish all the millions and stuff, right? Literally big number. Big numbers if you are able to do. Because of you guys getting overwhelmed and not giving that much. You can really go till 37. But I'll give you only 25. You got it?
Okay.
Any questions? Okay. Otherwise, we can log off. Go ahead.
How many pages are you posting?
I'll give you between 12 and 15 pages, ma'am.
What pages will they be?
From the first till 25, ma'am. From the page number 7 and 8 till 25.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys. But
Bye, Miss Priya.
bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Nikita, when is your class, ma'am?
I joined early today, but it starts at 6.
6. Okay. So I'll come back, ma'am.
Okay.